The Raichan family's morning in Abhee Celestial City is surprisingly calm. Time seems to slow down, allowing Mr. and Mrs. Raichand to move gracefully through the morning. Even the bustling morning hours resonates with a harmonious rhythm.
What a lovely morning! Living in Abhee Celestial City sure has its perks.
It's like living in a well-choreographed sitcom. Schools nearby? Check. Offices just around the corner? Double check. Discover a community that understands the rhythm of your days and nights. Abhee Celestial City, where your world is just a step away. Welcome to the heart of convenience and community. Your extraordinary living experience begins here. In the heart of Bangalore, where dreams find a home and stories intertwine, the old souls find solace. Their journey is a testament to the visionary township that embodies life's finest moments at Abhee Celestial City.
You know what the best part is? It's not about the proximity. It's about being part of a thriving community. Hey. A neighborhood where every day feels like coming home.
Here, life isn't merely lived. It's embraced with open arms. Every shared smile, every exchanged conversation echoes the harmonious melody of togetherness. Abhee Celestial City is a sanctuary where wisdom meets youthful exuberance, creating a harmonious symphony of life. Abhee Celestial City, where every evening sky paints a story of belonging and every dawn welcomes new connections. Amidst the vibrant hues of community living, get a thriving community that echoes the melody of their hearts.
That's a sweet taste of victory. Living here feels like we are stumbled upon our own time-saving oasis. Everything what we need is right here, making our life seamless experience.
Whatever you do, living should be an enjoyable experience. Ordinary isn't for people like us, you see.
Oh, absolutely. Abhee Celestial City gives me luxury beyond anticipation. It's a front row ticket to the city's grand spectacle. Amidst the hustle and bustle, I sit perched like a king on his throne. Ha ha ha!
How can you forget about the stars? They are like glittery extras in this nightly spectacle. Abhee Celestial City doesn't just offer a luxury living. It offers a VIP pass to elevated high-rise living.
Oh dear Lord! What are you guys doing?
Oh, nothing, Mom. Just luxury stuff.
Experience a view that stretches far beyond the ordinary. Reach for the stars and embrace the celestial wonders above. As the sun sets on another perfect day in Abhee Celestial City, the vibrant threads of luxury living blossoms. Welcome to a life where you not only live high, but also dream high. Abhee Celestial City, where starlit dreams come true. Welcome to your luxury home.